The fact you Barack Obama, Hillary Clinton, Sarah Palin, Ron Paul are here now means we value your time with us. When you are the sort of person that wants to know accounts, you are in.
The world is not descending into a financial crisis, but a psychiatric crisis. The financial world is a Twilight Zone version of the Tower of Babel. Today is about account science.
The twist is that we all appear to speak the same language, but the words have radically different meanings depending on the identity of the speaker. Sarah, please take it away.
In both legal and ordinary sense of the word, an account is in most cases showing a balance or result of comparison between items of an opposite nature, usually as a statement.
In one form it can be a detailed statement of the mutual demands in the nature of debit and credit between parties, arising out of contracts or some fiduciary relation.
In another form is a statement in writing, of debits and credits, or of receipts and payments, a list of items of debits and credits, with their respective dates.
And in other forms a statement of pecuniary transactions, a record or course of business dealings between parties, a list or statement of monetary transactions.
And these statements all deal with things such as payments, losses, sales, debits, credits, accounts payable and accounts receivable. In particular, pay attention to the top 6 types.
The top 6 depository accounts to learn about are 1. Open account, 2. Current account, 3. Account rendered, 4. Account stated, 5. Account settled, and 6. Closed account.
We have descended into a psychiatric crisis because we do not have a working comprehension of certain key Wall Street finance terms. Correcting accounts is key here. Continue on.
Number 1. Open account, in legal as well as in ordinary language, means an indebtedness subject to future adjustments, and which may be reduced or modified by proof. On to Ron Paul.
Furthermore, an open account is an account which has not been finally settled or closed, but is still running or open to future adjustment or liquidation. Sarah explains number 2.
Number 2 is a current account, which can be an open or running account or unsettled account between two parties, the antithesis of an account stated. Hillary explains number 3.
Number 3 is the account rendered, an account made out by the creditor, and presented to the debtor for his examination and acceptance. When accepted, it becomes an account stated.
When you are the sort of person that understands the significance of relearning current words, you will discover you can control government, compel bankers, and direct tax agents.
That's absolutely right, folks. Learn the lingo and get your bingo. Number 5 is account stated, an agreed balance between the parties to a settlement. Ron Paul for number 6.
Closed account, an account to which no further additions can be made on either side, but which remains still open for adjustment and set off, which distinguishes it from stated.
One more time, the top 6 depository accounts to learn about are 1. Open account, 2. Current account, 3. Account rendered, 4. Account stated, 5. Account settled, 6. Closed account.
Remember, an account is a detailed statement of the mutual demands in the limit of debt and credit between parties, arising out of contracts or some fiduciary relation.
The word is sometimes used to denote the balance, or the right of action for the balance, appearing due upon a statement of dealings, as where one speaks of an assignment of accounts, but there is a broad distinction between an accounter and the mere balance of an account, resembling the distinction in logic between the premises of an argument and the conclusions drawn therefrom. A balance is but the conclusion or result of the debit and credit sides of an account. It implies mutual dealings in the existence of debt and credit, without which there could be no balance. The world is descending into a psychiatric crisis, and the financial world is a Twilight Zone version of the Tower of Babel.
The fact anyone can use grade 3 grammar means anyone can learn the basic 66 words and learn to control government, compel bankers, and direct tax agents. Literacy is the solution.
The fact you want to know more means you will have to visit taxfreeincome.mobi and get on that email list so you can learn all 66 secret words and know how to use them.
Tax right, Ron. Taxfreeincome.mobi knows that for all to have legal tax-free income, we must all relearn certain words. Today we learned about accounts on the repository side.
When you are the sort of person that wants to learn what debit, credit, asset, liability, and deposit actually mean, you will discover how to solve this psychiatric crisis of words.
The world has descended a psychiatric crisis, not a financial crisis. The financial world is a Twilight Zone version of the Tower of Babel. The twist is that we all appear to speak
the same language, but the words have radically different meanings depending on the identity of the speaker. The fact you are watching this means you want to be part of the solution.
When you are the sort of person that wants superior information, you will immediately go to taxfreeincome.mobi and sign up for your free legal tax-free tips and tricks now.
Our hero claims a warrior's heart. I tell you, the dragonborn comes with a voice wielding power of the ancient Lord Art. Believe, the dragonborn comes. It's an end to the evil of all Skyrim's foes. Beware, the dragonborn comes. For the darkness has passed and the legend yet grows. You'll know the dragonborns come. Ar kvinnorok palgan, fod nos hon sin drossan, då var kin, var hin.